All right, everybody, back at it again. AE86 episode. We're gonna try to finish up the rest of the bay today. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but
Stop it!
all right, guys, back at it again. Another winter cold ass day. We got Casey here today. We also have Aaron coming.
Looking back at me.
Well, you cut it out. So we all sarcastically play Crossfade all the time because
we like it a lot.
Because it's bro metal and
It's the best song in the world. What do you mean?
never mind. Anyway, here's the bay. It's looking pretty good. Remember last episode we finished this radiator support and got that all done. So now what we're going to be doing is working on this section and this section. Hopefully if we get these two sections done, the whole bay will be done and I can do like a final sand. It's very tedious. It's going to be a lot of sanding. So let's just get straight into it, guys. Alright, I've been sanding for what seems like forever, but I have most of this all knocked down. As you can see, there's a lot of low spots and stuff in there. I've been basically doing the one finger sanding technique. And so I'm going to lay some filler, skim coat it up all in those low spots so I can get a better idea of what I'm working with. I'm also going to lay a little bit of filler here. Come on! I'm going to lay a little bit of filler right here because it's a little bumpy. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so the heater has been on here for what feels like forever. I did a little test scrapey boy there and it clogged the shit out of the paper, so it's still like kind of sticky, but I'm just gonna go full send and just blast through paper so I can get this knocked down. I really hope that I don't have to lay too much more filler because waiting this long for it to harden each time is gonna be a damn nightmare. So fingers crossed, guys.
Skid it.
Skid it.
Mom spaghetti.
Alright, as you guys can see, I've been out here sanding forever, and that's how much I got done. And so I'm going to come out here tomorrow and pick up where I left off, because my back is just really starting to hurt. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, guys. Guys. Back at it again, day 2. Got the heater going. It's really cold in here. Casey's back.
Hi.
He's been working on this thing. He put some light bars and shit on here last night, this off-road CRV daily driver that we never make videos of, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty dope. It's on 31s, I think. 31s? Yeah, 31s. We've been doing a lot. This is like the off-camera car that we work on, and we just do ridiculous shit to it. If you guys want to see any videos in the future of the CRV,
Let us know.
drop a comment below. Let us know.
Motivation to make it not run like shit.
Yeah, maybe you'll motivate us. This was a $300 CRV we got with broken timing belt. Now it's still a $300 CRV. But anyways, we're gonna basically clean this up, lay some more filler in some of the low spots, and then continue what we did last night and just
low spot.
keep sanding. Show me.
My life.
Oh fuck. Aaron made me a scrapey boy last night because none of the spreaders actually fit in here the way I need them to like do the spreading. See how it just stops? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another one, a different size, and I'm just gonna cut this down and get it to a size so I can kind of get in here and lay filler and it not be really awkward. All right, I made it. It looks just like one you would buy. And normally I would just go buy these because they're really cheap, but it's kind of far to West Coast, so I don't want to waste the time, but it fits really well. It's gonna work really nice for all the spreading needs. And it also, I cut the outside radius of this corner to be like exactly the way, the shape I want the corners in here. That way I can use this as a guide to kind of shape these inside corners and seams. So yeah, I'm gonna mix up some filler, lay it down, and then get back to fucking sanding. All right, it looks like it's dry enough to actually start sanding, so let's get after it. I just realized that we only have one pair of gloves left. So basically what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to sand raw dog, bare bones, and try to find all of the low spots and little pieces that I can possibly find right now and fill them all in one go and sand them down in hopes that we can just hit it on the first try. So let's get it. Alright, so I primed this section and guide coated it. It still needs a little bit of work, but for the most part, it's the way it needs to be, kind of like this side. And then back here, I did a slight skim coat in little areas that had some pitting and stuff like that, but this should be, I should be able to sand this in like 10 minutes, but I'm not gonna sit here and wait for 20 minutes, 30 minutes for this to get hard enough for me to sand it today. So I'm just gonna come out next time, blast this out, prime it, and then I'm gonna do an entire bay sand with all this guide coat, get some glazing putty and go through and find every pit, every mistake, every little thing that we messed up, and then it will be prime time. All right, everybody, that is a wrap. We got a lot done on the AE86 engine bay over the last 3 days, but there is a lot more to do. So remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It really helps us out. Fuck!